China's Terminator has entered mass production. The fast-rising startup Engine just opened its new humanoid factory to scale manufacturing. They say it's only the beginning. Meanwhile, another Chinese robotics leader whose humanoids are dominating the industrial sector is taking a more gentle approach with its latest creation. The Shenzhen startup Engine says it just opened its new intelligent manufacturing base. It covers around 12,000 square meters, or nearly 130,000 square feet, roughly the size of a Home Depot. According to Engine, the first batch of its T800 humanoid robots just walked off the production line. The robotics firm claims it can build one humanoid robot every 15 minutes, theoretically equal to 4 robots an hour if running continuously. The production speed is twice as fast as the rate claimed by Leju Robot, another Shenzhen firm. At the humanoid factory, it operates in Foshan with Dongfang precision. According to Chinese reports, Engine is also planning a larger global intelligent manufacturing headquarters more inland in Zhengzhou, to scale capacity to 10,000 units annually. The potential output is in the same ballpark as Western firms like Agility Robotics, 1X Technologies, and Figure, which says it can build up to 12,000 autonomous humanoids per year from its San Jose facility. But they all have catching up to do compared to the Chinese companies Unitree and Agibot, which are both tracking to ship at least 20,000 humanoids this year. Engine says its factory handles a full production loop that includes incoming inspection, assembly, testing, batch shipment, and after-sales maintenance. Launched in 2023 by serial entrepreneur Zhao Tongyang, who previously led XPeng's humanoid program, the startup is aggressively scaling with substantial financial backing. Engine raised around $200 million in a Series B round announced in April 2026, which brought its total amount raised to at least $340 million and pushed its valuation to $1.5 billion. Its major backers include Henan state-backed capital, Apple supplier Luxshare Precision, the e-commerce giant JD, and a long list of Chinese industrial and government-backed investors. The new factory resides within Shenzhen's Honghualing smart manufacturing cluster, where robotics companies and suppliers are stacked into high-rise industrial space. The location puts it within walking distance to key suppliers, including RoboSense, a global leader in LiDAR components. It's also home to Dobot, the Kickstarter success story that's mass-producing its humanoid named Adam alongside its industrial cobots. The robot leading Engine's new factory rollout is the T800, its first full-sized commercial humanoid. Standing 173 centimeters, or 5 feet 8 inches, the humanoid is marketed as a general-purpose worker for use across the industrial, logistics, and public service sectors. Its name is inspired by the iconic synthetic human from the Terminator series, which Engine's founder cites as one of his biggest inspirations growing up. It's the same robot that's gone viral for this swift kick to its creator's chest, and for walking the streets of Shenzhen with police officers. Weighing 75 kilos, or 165 pounds, the T800 features a magnesium aluminum alloy exoskeleton, 29 degrees of freedom, and 3-fingered hands with 7 moving joints each. It's one of the first humanoids to run on a solid-state battery, alongside XPeng's Iron and the newer startup Kinetics' Kai. The batteries are said to be higher in energy density, faster charging, and safer than traditional lithium-ion packs. 16 of the robots are being trained for Engine's Ultimate Robot Knockout League, planned for later in 2026. Engine is supplying teams from universities and labs with the heavy-duty humanoids. They'll optimize the robots for the ring by customizing their artificial intelligence and outfitting them with protective gear. Destructive mods and remote control operation are strictly prohibited. The potential payoff is major, with the tournament winner getting a $1.4 million cash prize. Engine describes it as the world's first professional competition for humanoid fighting, and the first to feature full-sized humanoids running completely autonomously. The T800 is priced starting around $25,000, though the variants used for the cage fighting spectacle are likely higher-end configurations that start around 50 grand. Engine is also known for its compact humanoid named the PM1, which originally cost around $13,000 to undercut Unitree's G1. Its entry point is now closer to 25 grand in online listings. The robot is starting to pop up in places like San Francisco, where the startup Rec hosted the first ever recorded fight between it and Unitree's Short King, both controlled by remote operators. There was no clear winner. Another Shenzhen-based leader in the humanoid race, UBTECH Robotics, is taking a more gentle approach with its latest offering. Launched in 2012, the robotics firm started out selling kits for STEM before expanding into industrial automation in recent years. Now publicly listed in Hong Kong, UBTECH ended 2025 boasting it had manufactured 1,000 of its flagship industrial humanoids that can swap out their own batteries. The company reported more than $200 million in orders for the year from giants like Airbus and Texas Instruments. UBTECH just shared this footage of its new full-sized commercial service humanoid, the Walker C1, which is engineered for public-facing roles like teaching ballet, rather than factory floors. Technical details are limited. It will make its public debut in late June during the 4th China International Supply Chain Expo in Beijing, where it will serve as the event's first non-human spokesperson. UBTECH also just announced its first dedicated consumer humanoid brand called World. UBTECH's latest humanoid has similar sensibilities to Luna from fellow Shenzhen firm LimX Dynamics. LimX debuted the robot with feminine aesthetics earlier this year during the Taobao Influencer Festival in Shanghai, where it walked the runway alongside the popular Taiwanese actress Michelle Chen. It's apparently built on the same architecture as LimX's flagship humanoid Oli, which is priced starting around $22,000. LimX is expected to release full details about Luna during its formal launch in the coming days. Subscribe for a detailed look at Luna's specs, design, and how it compares to the growing wave of public-facing humanoids from the People's Republic. Luna is competing with humans masquerading as robots, like this popular Chinese influencer who people commonly mistake for an actual machine. For more on her backstory and how robots are invading the fashion world, check the related video.